Hey everyone, today we will be immersing ourselves into the how-to course dedicated to the art of prompt engineering. I am thrilled to share with you the cutting-edge techniques designed to elevate your productivity with large language models. So, let us get started. Have you ever found yourself pondering the intricacies of causing perfect responses from ChatGPT and other large language models? Well, you are in for an enlightening experience today as we embark on an educational journey titled How to Master Prompt Engineering, a comprehensive guide. No need to fret about coding prerequisites. This journey is open to all. So, without further ado, let us collectively embark on this enlightening expedition. Over the course duration, we will delve into the essence of prompt engineering. Our itinerary includes gaining a profound understanding of what prompt engineering entails, a concise introduction to the vast realm of artificial intelligence, an exploration of large language models such as ChatGPT, a deep dive into text-to-image models, and an introduction to emerging models. We will traverse the landscape of prompt engineering mindset, absorb best practices, and unravel the mysteries of zero-shot prompting, among other captivating topics. Step number 1. A deep dive into understanding prompt engineering. Embarking on our educational journey, our first significant stride is dedicated to unraveling the intricacies of prompt engineering. This captivating career path has emerged in tandem with the ascent of artificial intelligence, representing the delicate art of crafting, refining, and optimizing prompts to orchestrate seamless interactions between humans and AI. At its core, prompt engineering involves the meticulous crafting of instructions or queries presented to large language models, such as ChatGPT, to elicit desired responses. It encapsulates the nuanced understanding of how language models interpret and generate content, requiring practitioners to master the art of formulating prompts that yield precise and contextually relevant outputs. This career path not only delves into the technical aspects of working with advanced language models, but also incorporates elements of creativity, linguistic intuition, and a deep comprehension of user intent. It underscores the crucial role played by human input in guiding artificial intelligence, emphasizing the symbiotic relationship between human expertise and machine learning algorithms. As we navigate through the foundational principles of prompt engineering, participants will gain insights into the evolution of the discipline alongside the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. The journey encompasses understanding how prompts serves as the bridge between human language and machine comprehension, paving the way for effective communication and collaboration. Step number 2. Initiating the journey with an introduction to AI. Before delving further into the intricacies of prompt engineering, let us establish a shared understanding of artificial intelligence. At its core, AI is captivating simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, albeit not yet sentient but evolving rapidly, courtesy of the wonders of machine learning. The essence of artificial intelligence lies in its ability to emulate human-like cognitive functions such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Through the amalgamation of algorithms and vast datasets, AI systems strive to mimic the intricacies of human thought processes, continuously refining their capabilities as they encounter new information. Machine learning, a subset of AI, plays a pivotal role in this evolution. It involves the development of algorithms that allow machines to learn patterns and make decisions without explicit programming. Through exposure to diverse datasets, AI systems adapt and improve their performance, a phenomenon often referred to as training. Now, why is the shared understanding of artificial intelligence crucial for our exploration of prompt engineering? As AI systems, particularly large language models, become integral components of various applications and industries, the manner in which humans interact with these systems become paramount. This is where prompt engineering comes into play. Prompt engineering acts as a guiding force in shaping the communication between humans and AI. Given the non-sentient nature of AI, the quality of input or prompts significantly influences the output generated by these systems. Crafting effective prompts becomes an art form, as it requires a nuanced understanding of how AI interprets language and context. Step number 3. Unpacking the significance of machine learning. Machine learning, often considered a juggernaut in the realm of artificial intelligence, derives its formidable capabilities from the analysis of vast troves of training data. This dynamic field propels itself toward by deciphering correlations and patterns within data sets, enabling machines to make predictions, decisions, and learn from experience. The sheer volume of diversity of training data serve as the fuel that propels machine learning algorithms to uncover hidden insights, adapting and evolving in response to new information. Step number 4. Unveiling the essence of why prompt engineering matters. The significance of prompt engineering becomes particularly pronounced in the context of the exponential growth of artificial intelligence, where even the architects of these sophisticated systems find themselves grappling with the challenge of taming their outputs. Prompt engineering, therefore, emerges as a crucial discipline that plays a pivotal role in shaping the interactions between humans and AI systems. Let us explore why this discipline matters using an illustrative example featuring the hypothetical ChatGPT's GPT-4 model. As AI systems evolve, they become increasingly powerful and complex, capable of generating responses across a wide spectrum of topics. However, this potency comes with challenges, especially when it comes to aligning the AI's outputs with the nuanced intentions of its human users. Without effective guidance, AI models might produce results that are accurate in a technical sense, but miss the mark when it comes to understanding the user's context, tone, or specific requirements. This is where prompt engineering steps in as a critical tool for refining the AI-human interaction. By carefully constructing prompts, users can guide the AI model to provide responses that are not only accurate but also contextually relevant and aligned with their expectations. For instance, in the case of ChatGPT's GPT-4 model, crafting a well-designed prompt could involve specifying the desired tone, level of formality, or even incorporating specific keywords to ensure the generated content aligns precisely with the user needs. Consider a scenario where a user seeks creative writing assistance from ChatGPT's GPT-4. Without effective prompt engineering, the AI might generate technically accurate but creatively misaligned responses. Through skillful prompt engineering, however, the user can guide the model by specifying the desired style, theme, or even providing a sample snippet to set the creative tone. This not only refines the AI's output but also empowers users to have more meaningful and tailored interactions with the technology. Step number 5. A practical exercise enhancing the learning experience. I am thrilled to participate in this hands-on practical exercise as a young English learner. Your guidance in crafting prompts to enrich my learning experience sounds like an engaging and effective approach. Let us dive into the interactive exercise, and I am ready to receive targeted corrections to enhance my English language skills. Prompt number 1. Hello, I am eager to improve my English skills. Please provide me with a short paragraph about your favorite hobby and kindly correct any grammar or vocabulary mistakes you notice. Thank you. Prompt number 2. I recently read a book and want to discuss it. Can you help me write a brief summary of the plot and correct any errors in my description? I appreciate your assistance. Prompt number 3. As part of my English learning journey, I am practicing writing dialogues. Could you create a short dialogue between two friends discussing their weekend plans? Please correct any mistakes you find. Thanks a bunch. As we bring this enlightening journey to a close, envision a transformed interaction with large language models, all made possible through the mastery of prompt engineering. This skill, undoubtedly a potent asset in the era of AI dominance, eagerly awaits your exploration and application. To stay connected and delve deeper into the captivating world of prompt engineering, I invite you to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join me on this exciting how-to journey. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master linguistics for crafting effective AI prompts. A step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.